Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jan and welcome to your channel Jan as Mommy. In this video you will be seeing about this swing, the offers, and if you are my subscriber, how much discounts you will get it from the manufacturer details, the quality of the swing. So completely about this swing. To know more about the offers, stay tuned till end of the video to know about the offer. If you really want to avail the offer, you have to be my subscriber. So hit on the red button which is down below, and also hit on the bell icon which is next to the red button to get more updates in this channel. Let's get started. This is how I have received the package. Much satisfied with the way it is packed. This swing is packed with double polythene covers. It took nearly 10 minutes for me to unpack this swing. I have got this swing from Dhyanalinga Enterprises and they are in the market for 20 years. Finally opened the package. The swing looks just awesome. This Caribird designed swing added more beauty to my balcony. This package included a swing, a cushion and a spring to hang the swing. This product I have got from Dhyanalinga Enterprises. They are one of the best swing manufacturers in Tamil Nadu. This is the spring which is needed to hang the swing to the ceiling. This complete swing is made of MS pipe which is power coated, which prevents the swing from getting rusted. The quality of the cushion is also very nice. The cushion is designed in such a way to suit this Caribird swing. This swing holds up to 120 kilos. The best part is you can keep it indoor as well as outdoor. The black spring which is come along with the swing is more than enough to hang the swing onto the ceiling. The height is just perfect and we don't need any extra hooks to adjust the length. I got this swing as a birthday gift from my husband. As I'm a person who spends a lot of time in the balcony, so this swing is just perfect for my balcony. This Caribird design swing is not only comfortable for kids but also comfortable for adults as well. And the kids can sleep in this swing. It is that very comfortable. And the little one is not stepping out of the swing. You can also decorate the swing with electric lights. This is the LED light which I have shown in my Amazon haul video. The same battery operated light I have used here for decorating. And it just adds more beauty to my swing. And the lights are just perfect on the swing during the nights. And the best part is this swing didn't occupy much space in my balcony. At the same time, it didn't fail to comfort us. Swing chairs are quickly becoming the part of our home furniture. Lots of people have started to equip their home with this beautiful Caribird swing. These kind of swings are so comfortable, at the same time they look stylish and elegant in the home. They are attractive and relaxing at the same time. We can spend some peaceful time with them or can read the book at ease. Apart from the look, swings have a lot of health benefits. They are helpful in reducing the stress level, which is a common problem nowadays. It supports your body and relieves the pressure on your back. If you are looking for a physical state of muscle relaxation, then you need a swing chair. Swing chairs will boost your mood and relax your mind so much and put your mind in different frame where you no need to worry about any stress. You can even practice meditation on the swing. As I said, these swings are from Dhyanalinga Enterprises. They have huge colors of these swings. They also have double colored Caribird swing which you would have not seen anywhere. Moreover, you can customize the swing with the colors to match your home theme. And this Dhyanalinga Enterprises, they also have huge colors on the cushions. You can choose your favorite color from their huge collections. The manufacturer, Dhyanalinga Enterprises, they are providing these swings at very affordable price. You will not find any swing on online or anywhere at this reasonable price. They are providing the swing for just 5,950 rupees and the complete ceiling set for just 7,550 rupees. That includes swing, cushion and spring. They also have stand models of swings. If you have more space, then you can go for this kind of stand swings. This is the stand which they are providing us and it is very easy to assemble. Anyone can assemble, there will be no difficulty in assembling this. And this kind of small spring is needed to hang the swing onto the stand. The complete Kalia swing set is 11,900 rupees. This includes swing, cushion, stand and the spring to hold the swing. As I said, this is the small spring which is needed for this stand to hold the swing. This Dhyanalinga Enterprises, they are providing a flexibility of ordering only swing or only swing and cushion, or you can also order only swing, cushion and stand. So you can check your space and you can order the ceiling set or the complete Kalia swing set. You can order as per your need. Here comes the offer. Use the code Jan as Mommy, our channel name, and avail flat 5% off from the total MRP price. Already this manufacturer providing us these swings at very affordable price compared to other online sites. On top of it, we are going to get flat 5% off. To avail the offer, do subscribe to the channel and give the coupon code Jan as Mommy to the manufacturer and get the 5% offer from the MRP price. Though they are providing the swings at affordable price, they never compromise on the quality. The swing is so rigid, so solid and the finish is very good. The complete swing is made of MS pipe which is powder coated so you can avoid getting rusted. Next, I will be showing the comparisons of this kind of carry bird swing in other online shopping sites. This is the price from Amazon and these kind of carry bird swings are not less than 10,000 rupees. And for around 12,000 or 13,000 they are providing only the swing and the cushion. And these are all the prices from Flipkart. And the price is too high compared to the Dhyanalinga Enterprises swing. This is their contact. You can reach out to them. I will provide all the contact details in the description box below. You can also WhatsApp them on the below numbers. This Dhyanalinga Enterprises who also have other relaxing products like chairs which can be turned out to a bed and other relaxing chairs to ease the back pain. They also have the automatic leg massager. This leg massager is just perfect after a very tiring day. Just switch on the start button and it is going to massage your legs. They do have automatic body massagers as well. Just you can set the mode and the frequency and it is going to do its job. If you want to know much more about their products, you can reach out to them. They are ready to help you with all your queries. And for the swings, don't forget to get flat 5% off. Just use the code JANAskMommy and avail the offer. That's it about this video. Hope this video had some useful information for those who really wanted to buy a good swing. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until that, stay tuned. It's Jan signing off. Take care. Bye bye, guys.